In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive local sync and backup. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into this page. So from there, go over to Microsoft.com and onto the products, locate OneDrive. Once you're in here, you can just proceed to click onto this button. This should be able to give you in here a free account once you click on this, since this will enable the sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can proceed to click onto the sign in option right there. I'll show you how it looks like. So on my browser, this is actually what my OneDrive looks like. However, if you want to use your PC, what you can do is you can just click onto the search bar and proceed to search right here for OneDrive and open the application directly from there. Alternatively, you can just sign in to your OneDrive and you can locate it from there on your File Explorer. Here is my File Explorer, and as you can see, I have in here my OneDrive opened, and here is my actual files directly in here. So to set up the local sync and backup, what we can do is we can just head over to the OneDrive icon onto our taskbar, and you can see this. Just click onto this gear icon that will appear from in here. And as you can see, we have this pause syncing option. So you have the option to pause the sync, but if you want to actually sync it all together, it's actually on the automatic sync settings. So let's head over right there to our settings. This will open our OneDrive. So for this case, just head over and then turn all of this on. And for this, just head over and then sync and back up anything that you want added into your OneDrive. Now from in there, just manage all this, manage the imports, make sure to unpause the syncing. So in that case, it will not be paused and you should be able to sync or local sync your actual files directly into your cloud storage. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.